Alice from Alice Caroline. Super excited about our upcoming sewing festival, which starts on the 21st of June. We've got 12 projects in the bundle, super exciting. One of which is this adorable little mug carrier. So you can make these. We've got a tutorial and a pattern how to make these to take your mug along to your favourite sewing retreat. Lots of different options and a really great scrappy project. We'll be showing you how to make that during the sewing festival. Gorgeous tote bag called Windows of Regent Street. Suzanne takes you through how to make these amazing cathedral window technique. Lovely tote bag. And we've got kits available for that colourway and the blue colourway. Then we have this gorgeous Lulu train case from Adam Sews. So he takes you through in his tutorial with pattern PDF how to make this lovely train case. We've got an amazing hexagon bag from Emma Jones made with English paper piecing. Fun project. A collar, which is super fun. I've been meaning to make one of these for ages, and we've got this double-sided colourway just to jazz up your outfits. Dandelion Dreams cushion. These are just some of the projects we'll be sewing during the week of the 21st of June. And don't worry if you can't join live for any of the sewing hangouts or interviews, all recordings will be available, lifetime access on our website. So click the link in the description if you'd like to learn more and to purchase a ticket to join us.